Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Jyotsna. I will be telling you about expiratory time and T rise difference. Difference between TI and T RAM. T ramp or T rise is how fast we give a set pressure which we have set on ventilator, and TI is inspiratory time, total time spent during inspiration. So, this is a pressure time scalar. You can see slowly we are achieving the set target pressure here, also slowly, but more faster than the slow rise. And this fast rise is fastly we are achieving the pressure. So what is happening to the TI? TI in slow rise, TI is greater than in the moderate rise, and the moderate rise TI is greater than in the fast rise. Means fast rise has the shortest inspiratory time, and slow rise has the longest inspiratory time. So it will be helpful in the place where we want more expiry time. In that case, we can use fast rise. Fastly, we can achieve the set pressure and thus the set tidal volume, and we can get more time for exhalation, as in expiratory airflow limitation, like in COPD patient or asthma patient. In the same, so how to set T rise or how to set inspiratory time in Macquarie ventilator. In Macquarie ventilators, T rise is set in percentage from 0 to 20 or in second 0 to zero point 0.4. So here you can see T inspired T rise is there. This we can set in here, we can set it in seconds. So we can increase it or decrease it. In the same way, I ratio can be set here, and it is for control mode, assist control mode. We can set the IE ratio, and accordingly inspiratory and expiry time can be changed. In pressure support mode, we can set the peak expiry flow percentage. So in that way we can change the expiry cyclic time. So what is the use of fast rise, and what is the use of slow rise? Basically, we have to set according to the patient tolerance and demand. Suppose the patient is flow starving, then we have to give fast rise and choose pressure support or support or pressure control mode and give a fast rise. In the same way, if the patient we want them more time for exhalation, we can choose fast rise so that we can get more time for exhalation, like in COPD patient. If there is a delay cycling, then also we can choose fast rise. If there is a premature cycling, we can choose slow rise. Thank you.